The rain is on the way, Kelly.
It is. Yes, we're going to see some big changes as we head our way into the evening. Also paired with our next storm that rolls in, we'll still keep king tides around too, a high tide on Tuesday. Just take a look at how dangerous some of these high tides can be. This was shot on Sunday, yesterday, by Paul out towards BANDON, Oregon. So on an area of the coast that people tend to take walks on, you can see when these strong tides come in, they have the strength to even push some debris around, and some of those can be large tree trunks. So do be careful out there. Again, we'll see these king tides at least until Wednesday morning. Great for photography, but for the unsuspecting beachgoer, it could be very dangerous out there. So a couple of coastal concerns will also pair those king tides with a bit of minor flooding as those waves crash ashore. Also wind gusts as we head our way into tonight through Wednesday morning out towards Coos, Curry, and Douglas counties. We could see some gusts close to 65 miles per hour, and a coastal flood advisory possible too for some of those roadways out towards the north coast there. Clatsop, Lincoln, Pacific, and Tillamook counties under a flood advisory as we head our way into Wednesday afternoon. So a lot of rain and winds on the way towards the beaches with our next storm system. Here's a model that shows winds even out towards Tillamook up to Cannon Beach and Astoria. We could see some gusts going into early tomorrow morning around 55 to even 60 miles per hour. Will also be breezy as our next storm system arrives here in Portland too. Salem, even up into Portland, we could see some gusts maybe close to 35 or 40. So we'll be tracking these winds as that next weather system rolls in. We're getting rain right now out towards Astoria, maybe a light shower here in Portland, but we're mainly cloudy and still in that moment before the storm has arrived. So take a look at our satellite radar. You can see some showers are working towards the city now, but a lot of that heavy rain is already out towards Astoria, and it's all part of a larger atmospheric river that has worked into the region, and we'll slowly start to bring that rain inland as we head our way into tonight. So forecast rain totals show some impressive amounts. Again, this heavy rain doesn't really arrive in Portland until we hit the overnight hours, so even into 9 p.m. tonight, not really checking in too much rain in the rain gauge. Look towards Astoria, maybe closer to an inch. But as we head into Tuesday, we'll tack on the rain, likely record rainfall tomorrow with about 2 inches of rain there falling. That'll still continue into Wednesday as well. So flood watch in place across the region here. That includes the valley out towards the coast. That heavy rain is expected. We could see some flooding, even landslides over those areas that have seen a lot of forest fires in the foothills of the Cascades, and also debris flow as some of those landslides run off and some rivers start to creep up and rise. So a lot to watch out for heading into Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Here's our futurecast. There's that big plume of moisture that'll continue to push that rain right through the valley and into Portland. So likely some steady rain setting up for us as we head towards our evening, and it just continues overnight here. We finally get a break in the rain as we head into Wednesday. We'll start to see those showers tapering off throughout the morning, and the afternoon actually looks dry. Same for Thursday. So a bit of soggy and active weather to look out for as we head our way into Wednesday afternoon and Thursday. Your look at the 7-day forecast, likely evening rain starting to pick up tonight, but by Tuesday we'll see winds, we'll see very soggy weather and warmer temperatures too in the upper 50s. That's your weather. We'll be right back.